What is up guys, James here. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over a super popular coding interview question, LeetCode 121, best time to buy and sell stock. If you ever looked at a stock chart and wondered when you should buy and sell to make the most money, this is exactly the idea, to simplify it into an array problem. Let's break it down step by step, write the code together, and discuss the solution. Let's go. Here's the problem. You're given an array called prices, where prices at I is the price of a stock on the ith day. Your goal is to choose one day to buy the stock and then choose a future day to sell it to make the maximum possible profit. If no profit is possible, just return 0. Let's look at an example where prices equal 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, and 4. The best choice here is to buy on day 1, which is index 1, where the price is 1. Sell on day 4, where the index is 4 and the price is 6. So the profit is 6 minus 1, which equals 5. That's the max we can make, so the output is 5. Just a quick note, in plain English, people say buy on day 2 and sell on day 5, but in code, indexing starts at 0, so when I say day 1, I mean index 1 in the array. If the prices go down every day like this, there's no chance to make a profit, so we return 0. Let's first write a simple brute force solution just to understand the idea. We'll check every possible pair of buy and sell days and calculate the profit. So we'll set max profit to 0, then for I in range len prices, and for j in range I plus 1 to len prices, we'll set profit equals prices at j minus prices at I. Then we'll calculate the max profit by taking the max of max profit and profit. Finally, we'll return max profit. This works, but it's very slow for big inputs because it checks every possible pair. That means it is O of n squared time complexity. So now let's move on to the optimized solution, which is O of n time complexity. The idea is to keep track of the lowest prices we've seen so far, and at each step, we'll calculate what profit we'd make if we sold on that day. Then we'll keep updating the maximum profit. So here's the step-by-step code. We'll create a variable called min price and set it to infinity. This is because we want to track the lowest price that we've seen so far, and we want to make sure any real stock price we see will be lower than the starting value. Think of it like saying, I haven't seen any prices yet, so I'll pretend the minimum is infinite. So min price equals float brackets quotation inf. Then we'll initialize a variable called max profit to 0. This will keep track of the best profit we've seen as we loop through the prices. If no profit is possible, we'll stay at 0. Next we'll write for price in prices. This is a loop that goes through each price in the list one day at a time. Then we check, is the current price lower than our current minimum? If yes, we found a new best day to buy the stock. So if price is less than min price, we'll update the min price to the current price. So min price equals price. We're saying, hey, this is the cheapest stock we've seen so far, so I'll remember this as the best buying price. Now, if the price is not lower than min price, then maybe today is a good day to sell. So else profit equals price minus min price. We subtract the lowest price we've seen from today's price to get the profit. So if min price is 1, and today's price is 6, profit equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. We now compare this profit to our current max profit. If it's higher, we update the max profit. So we do this by max profit equals max profit, comma, profit. So we store the best profit possible so far. After the loop finishes, we return the best profit we found. So return max profit. If we never found any profit, we'll just return 0. This is the full code. The time complexity is O of n as we loop through the list once, and the space complexity is O of 1 as we only use 2 variables. That's how you solve LeetCode 121, best time to buy and sell stock. I hope you guys found this helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or any questions that you would like me to solve next. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning.